I miss Deja.
What's up, guys? We on a whole nother.
No cap. I never thought I'd come to see that.
Franny, another
so
trail.
funny.
Another trail.
Let's show another fair.
Right.
Yeah. You too. Let me flip this for y'all. Hold on. Franny got the wrong shoes for this. Oh, God. Justin got the wrong shoes for this, too.
It's cool.
Oh.
Bro, did you see him?
I almost fell.
He just tripped hard as hell, son. He tripped hard as hell.
I was there like
What'd you
bruh, I almost fell. Like, this is crazy.
What'd you say?
Long ass walk. But it's cool though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn. All these damn keys.
There's hella rocks, though.
Here you go. Look at this. Walking up the mountain. I don't know how far we gotta go, but sunset and shit, no cap. It's cool. It's kind of funny because it's like we always pick the wrong time to go somewhere. And it's like, this is crazy. Check the walk.
Right. I thought to start running too. Hey! Let's go, girl.
Franny can't really run like that. She got the wrong shoes on for this.
Damn, you didn't have no car.
Nope.
Back to the walk.
Oh my god.
You did? I made sure I grabbed these out the car. Was not about to...
I have a, I think I have a eraser.
Look at this. They said so I'm gonna break your ankles for real. Somebody left their jacket. Damn, this shit that crazy?
You probably left it for somebody. We walking up it, girl. We gotta heavy up.
Alright, so we gotta jog. Come on. Well, guys, look like I left them.
Don't be going Mr. like that, yo.
Does need a little
Hey,
tight.
you too.
She a little tight. She tight.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, come on, friend. You got this.
Girl,
Bruh.
this too much. Too much. Screenshot. Oh, yeah.
Now, come on. Bruh.
This is fucking. Where do we go?
Keep following the rocks.
There ain't no more graffiti.
Dutch. Okay, so we're going the right way.
Huh?
It's all a Dutch rapper, so we're going the right way. Graffiti on the rock, what you talking about? Really, what you talking about? God damn, guys. This shit crazy. Shit crazy for real. Which way? Up there? This way. This way. Word. Bro, 5 minutes and 22 seconds, man. That's crazy. This trail really trying to kill niggas' ankles. Like, damn. Shit crazy. Or I might just do that shit with y'all. No cap.
Period.
Long ass mountain climb. What are you talking about, nigga? What?
I'm kidding.
Stepped all up in your way.
Yo, deadass, don't get fucked up.
What?
Don't get fucked up.
You want to try and catch me? I'll be gone.
Nigga, you're deadass out. You got some long ass legs.
What happened? What happened? We leaving Franny. We is leaving Franny. What'd you think so far, Franny? Where this shit crazy.
That's why we had to go upstairs. Alright.
Shit.
Huh?
Look at this shit. Ah, damn. Come on, Franny.
It's worth it. Come on, girl. Oh, hey y'all. So we on a journey, and it really got us fucked up right now.
So you're not gonna wait for Franny?
We made it, y'all.
No. Shit. Damn. Alright, so guys, we made it. I'm gonna show y'all the view in a little bit. Check it out.
Wow.
This shit is amazing. Man. This shit's crazy.
See? I thought I needed that jacket.
You can see everything up here. We made it, Franny. We made it, Franny. Hey, Destiny. We made it.
We made it.
Yo, fucking tired.
Alright, let's sit
I
down.
did.
Here, Eric.
I did that shit.
Here, Eric.
What?
Hold on.
Photo shoot time.
For the one time. Hold on.
You gotta get the background, like the sky.
Different angle. It's all about the angles, guys.
Don't look at me.
Bruh.
Alright, let me see. Let me see. Are you on porch?
Yep. Man, guys. This is crazy.
Mad cute. Let me see your phone.
We about to do take pictures.
Of you. Move, Eric. Move. I mean, excuse me. Just 1 second.
Yeah.